a point of plateau. You move really quickly to that point, then you don't move forward, and it can be quite kind of demoralizing. And I think that's sort of what happened when I moved up groups too early. I was kind of moved away from the little group of friends that I made. We all moved into diving at the same time through this talent identification program that the City of Leeds Diving Club set up. You know, they were going around the city searching for potential superstars in diving, and they found me, they found a group of others, and we had this nice little squad. And then because I was seemingly progressing quicker, I was moved out and then just wasn't quite enjoying my diving in the same way. So I got moved back down. And sometimes when you regress, it feels not good. It feels demotivating potentially because you've not taken the step forward, but sometimes you have to move back to then find a different route to go forward. And for me, it was really positive to actually have that step back, to move in with my group of friends again, to enjoy my training, because that's the most important thing.